You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to take a close look at the Dragon Ball Z Goku Kamehameha. And nevertheless, it's just awesome that you're tuning in with another unboxing and reviewing here on the channel. So this is going to be my first Crane King figure. It's going to be like in Kamehameha pose. I have seen many of these before with different kind of brands and characters. Nevertheless, let's take a close look at this one before, just because I'm really curious about it, you know, just to see what are we going to get. Okay, but I must say that I'm very curious what are we going to get with the quality. The box itself is quite made of very thin cardboard. While you were looking at the art, everything looks quite nice. But let's do a quick unboxing. What are we going to get in the inside? Inside, we're not going to get something really special. We're just going to get ourselves a couple of parts. This thing has already been unboxed before because this is a second-hand figure. So let's take a close look at it. You can see there is some dust on here. But I'm curious, like, how will this thing look up close? As you can see over here, they did an amazing job with the figure itself. And again, like, it's very filthy, but yeah, dust, that's something that happens to all of the figures in the end. You see some glue over here. At the back we do see some minor damage or some paint flaws. His legs look also very nice. Let's put this thing together. Oh, is it the biggest problem? But that fits perfectly. I think that's one of the best figures that I put together. Like, normally it's going to be such an hassle. Alright, so we need to put this support block over here. This is going to be an issue. You know, for this solution, we have the all famous poster clays. I think on the end of made all of these videos that I'm going to be out of these things. They are so convenient. So the only thing you need to do is like spread it on the surface over here. And then we're going to squeeze it on here so it will fit perfectly. So the pose itself is something new. Basically with this one, he just look up. So that's pretty damn cool if you're going to place this thing lower in your collection. But when I'm looking at this figure, I must say that I'm surprised to see how good it actually is. Besides that it's a little bit dusty, it doesn't matter. I do like the way how it looks in general when it comes to the pose. And also just the details on the figure itself. But when you're looking at the support block, it's quite interesting to see that it even comes in this weird looking blue color. But it's not looking like your typical, let's say, support block. It is something like different. It looks like a rock on this freaking feet. But the thing I really like about this is the damage that has been done with the paint job. It looks amazing that his clothes has some minor damage of the battle. And yeah, that are like those details that I just like about it. That makes this figure come to life. And that is something that I wish they would do more often with bootlegs. Nevertheless, you do see that more with the original figures, depending on like who is like basically selling it or making it. Of course, everybody has his own idea like how to make figures. But in overall, when you're looking at this clothing and the decal at his back, everything looks just amazing. And the same can be said about his hands and his face. You can see over here like his facial expression is absolutely epic. And when you're looking at his mouth, you can see it's absolutely nice. And I mean with nice, it just has a very nice detail and there was no mispaints over here. But okay guys, so this is what we're going to get with this Goku Kamehameha. And I must say, like, at first I was thinking, another Kamehameha Goku. But this one seems to be looking very nice. And maybe this will be becoming in one of my top 10 Goku figures. Let me know what you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become one of the biggest family. And it would be great to see you in the next video.